How to pin a message in WhatsApp group. Hey everybody, welcome back to Official Help Desk. In today's video, I'm gonna guide you through the step-by-step process of how you can pin any messages in your WhatsApp group. So without any further ado, let us get started. Head over to your WhatsApp application from your device. Once you do so, make sure that you are logged into your WhatsApp account, then tap onto the group. And here you can see that I have sent 2 messages. Now to pin any one of these, just long tap onto any one of them and tap on 3-dot icon on your top right. Here you will see an option of pin at the last option. Tap onto it. Then you can choose how long your pin shall last. If you would like to choose it for 24 hours, you can toggle on the option of 24 hours and once done, tap onto pin. Once you do so, you can see that you have pinned a message notification here, and there is also a small pin icon under your message. Just like so, this is how it works. That wraps up today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then all you have to do is comment down below and we will make a video on that topic. In the meantime, do like this video and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell icon to never miss an update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in our next upload.